What if we could time travel to the future? Imagine waking up tomorrow, but the calendar reads 2124. The world is a canvas, repainted by a century of innovation. Flying cars zip through the air, people live for 200 years, and an artificial intelligence has solved problems we can't even comprehend today. Welcome back to Imagine What If, where we dive deep into the mind-bending possibilities that could reshape everything you think you know about reality. Today, we're exploring one of humanity's most captivating dreams, traveling to the future. But fair warning, by the end of this video, you might never look at time the same way again. The science is already here. Here's something that might shock you. You're already time traveling to the future, right now. Every second that passes, you're moving forward through time at exactly 1 second per second. But what if I told you that Einstein proved over a century ago that you could speed up this process dramatically? And no, I'm not talking about cryogenic freezing, though honestly, who wants to wake up as a human popsicle? The secret lies in Einstein's theory of relativity, which reveals two mind-blowing methods for future time travel. The first is time dilation through speed. Picture this. You board a spacecraft traveling at 99.9% the speed of light. To you, inside the ship, time feels completely normal. You age normally, think normally, exist normally. But here's where it gets wild. While you experience just 1 year of travel, Earth experiences over 22 years. You return home to find that everyone you knew has aged more than 2 decades, while you've barely changed. Your younger siblings are now older than you. Your friends have grandchildren. The world has moved on without you. But wait, there's an even more accessible method, and it's happening right above your head. The gravity shortcut. Gravitational time dilation is Einstein's second gift to future travelers. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time moves relative to areas with weaker gravity. This isn't theoretical, it's measurable reality. GPS satellites orbiting Earth actually experience time slightly faster than we do on the surface because they're farther from Earth's gravitational pull. Without constant corrections for this time difference, your GPS would be off by miles within hours. But what if we took this to the extreme? What if we found a gravitational field so intense that it could catapult us decades into the future in mere moments? The Black Hole Express. Enter the most terrifying and fascinating time machine in the universe, a black hole. Near the event horizon of a supermassive black hole, gravitational time dilation becomes so extreme that it defies comprehension. Picture yourself approaching Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. As you get closer, time begins to crawl. From your perspective, everything feels normal, but to observers on Earth, you appear to slow down dramatically, like a movie playing in slow motion. Of course, there's one tiny problem with this method, the whole getting ripped apart by tidal forces thing. Details, right? But let's imagine you survived the journey, the future awaiting us. When you return to Earth, you discover that thousands of years have passed. Civilizations have risen and fallen. So what exactly would you find in this distant future? The possibilities are both exhilarating and terrifying. Climate change, if not addressed, could have transformed Earth into either a scorching wasteland or a frozen ball of ice. But if humanity prevailed, you might witness megacities floating in the clouds, oceans teeming with engineered coral reefs, and technology that would be indistinguishable from magic. Imagine neural interfaces that let humans communicate telepathically, nanobots in your bloodstream preventing disease before it starts. But here's what really gets me. Would humanity even recognize you as one of them? Evolution doesn't stop. After thousands of years, humans might have developed new senses, enhanced intelligence, or even merged with artificial intelligence to become something entirely new. You'd be meeting a new species. A species that once was you. The paradox of knowledge. Here's where future time travel gets philosophically twisted. If you traveled to the future and returned with knowledge of upcoming events, would that knowledge change the timeline, preventing the very future you witnessed? It's like trying to use tomorrow's lottery numbers today, except the lottery might not even exist in the future because everyone's too busy living in virtual reality worlds. This creates what scientists call the information paradox. Your very presence in the future and your return to the present could fundamentally alter the course of history. The future you witnessed might just become one of infinite possible timelines. The price of tomorrow. But let's talk about the real cost of future time travel. It's not just the technology or the risk, it's the profound loneliness of being unstuck in time. Everyone you've ever loved would be gone. Your culture, your language, your entire way of life might be ancient history. You'd be a living fossil, a relic from a bygone era trying to navigate a world that has moved beyond your comprehension. This raises an urgent question. Is the thrill of knowing the future worth the price of your entire past? If you could travel to the future, would you want to? The universe is full of mind-bending what-ifs. If this deep dive into the future ignited your curiosity, you're going to love exploring another impossible scenario. What if humanity left Earth? Click the link on your screen now to see what happens when we abandon our home planet forever. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing what-if scenarios, and join our community of curious minds as we explore the universe one question at a time. Until next time, keep dreaming of tomorrow.